Good morning, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I wanted to introduce you to 11820 Iowa Avenue in Nampa, Idaho. This is a 44,442 square foot single level with a basement, a walkout basement on 1.18 acres. Beautiful house, only one owner, meticulously maintained. It's got a spacious two-car garage, which is actually finished inside. And notice that it's got a little bit extra space on each side over here, and the concrete extends out to the edge, which if you look at brand new homes now, a lot of times they pull the concrete to right here. And this is really nice if you wanted to park a couple of cars out here that you're not stepping out into the snow or the grass. Little basketball area here. Now, the elephant in the room, you've got housing going on pretty much all the way around you. But it's a pretty good setback, as you can see how nice and wide the driveway is here, and the distance from the house to over there. And bottom line is you're still getting over an acre, almost an acre and a quarter. And it's a very good builder. I do believe that's all Coleman Homes over there. They do decent sized lots. And as I said, this is just a meticulously maintained property. If you look at the flat work out here, look, curbing out here in the landscaping, the yard looks wonderful. They did the right thing in extending, you know, the lava rock around the perimeter of home. Tell all buyers to do that around their home to keep water from going in the crawl space. You have the full rain gutter system, kind of a bay window look over here, and then just the beautiful covered patio out here. You can watch the sunset, mature trees. The developer over there will of course be putting fencing in at their expense. I don't know exactly how that'll look. I'll try to get the plat map on the site for you. And again, just a nice wide covered patio up front here. Notice the kind of leaded glass look in the front door. Room for your patio swing. And let's head inside and take a look. Okay, as we walk in the house, the first thing you'll notice is the beautiful entryway with the tile flooring. Little coat closet over here, and the stairs heading downstairs. You'll notice the vaulted ceilings. Lots of light and bright home. And off to the left, we have an office. It's got the laminate style floors that look, I mean, they really must be very high quality because it looks just like oak. B-board in the background here, the shelves, great texturing and very neutral paint. I believe that is called agreeable gray. With a glass door. Perfect size office. Now we'll head into the family room here. Again, notice the vaulted ceiling, ceiling fan, recessed can lighting that accentuates the you know, the fireplace in the room, which is a real wood burning fireplace, which is getting harder and harder to find. It's gorgeous. And you have your back patio here. We watch the sunrise in the morning, or your back deck, I should say. And again, you notice the setback is great from the construction that's going on. It's set back pretty far. And I'll take you to the kitchen area. Okay, heading into the kitchen area, I do want to point out something that's pretty awesome. And let me get my shoes out of the way. Is that this is, the flooring here is all in the hard type of floor, from tile to laminate, which is great for not tracking stuff in on this brand new carpet. And you can see my socks here. It is super plush and just feels great. And then we'll walk into the kitchen. Have a huge, spacious, open kind of country style kitchen here. The door styles I've never seen before. I've been doing this 15 years full time. Love it. You have the full tile backsplash, chrome faucet, the big island. You have the desk space and pantry. Lots of electrical outlets over here. Notice that it's flat panel electrical. Stainless steel electric oven, Samsung microwave, and this is the door style that I was talking about. It was custom made. Again, this was the original owner. You have a granite style granite sink. Just an amazing view looking out through the window here. See the Boise Mountain Range. You've got your Whirlpool oven over there. So you have two ovens. You've got the obscured decorative glass inside of this cabinet, custom. Now over here, this is where you get your family and friends together for a huge gathering. I mean, you've got seating here for 6 right now, but as you can tell, you could extend that. You could actually push that back and still have room for another table over here. This is just a beautiful, huge dining area. There's room over here to do more shelves or cabinetry if you wanted to, or on that wall. Just lots of options. And then you've got kind of a bay window looking out at the mountain range. Just fantastic. And you're sitting up on a hill a little bit, so you'll be looking down at whatever future development is going on over there. Then you've got the rear exit here. Heads out to the back door of the garage. The little deck here. Okay. But wait, there's more. We come through here. This is your laundry room. And you'll notice nice transitions. And a huge laundry room. Nice big folding table. Beautiful oak cabinets here. And then you have a half bath over here, which is great, right off the garage. And a little seating bench here if you wanted to do the built-in cabinets. You've got plenty of space. And currently the garage is being used for a lot of storage, so I won't show you a ton of that, but just to show you that there's lots of space out here. It's a finished garage, meaning it is painted and textured. Fluorescent lighting in there, nice tall door. And that's a medium-sized SUV, and as you can see, there's plenty of room on both sides. So I think if you had a full-size truck, you'd be able to pull it in there. Notice that there's central vacuum. I'll point that out when we walk back through the house as well. There's me. Hello. I always find a way to get in the video. So if you're not familiar with central vac, basically in your wall, there'll be an outlet like that, and just plug the hose into it, and voila, you're ready to do your thing. Okay, we'll walk down the hallway now. Okay, walking down the hallway, you'll notice the professionally painted home. It's got the agreeable gray with the bright white trim and the beautiful carpet. And down here we have bedroom number 1. Very spacious. I believe that bed is a double, and you've just got plenty of room in here. Nice big windows, ceiling fans in all the bedrooms. We'll go across the hallway. This is the east facing. This is the master bedroom. You've got a queen in here, and you've still got so much space on both sides. You could fit a king in here, no problem. Still have room for all your dressers and everything else. Again, ceiling fan in here. I believe this room is 16 by 13. And then you have access to the deck through the master. So again, sit out there and enjoy the sunrise. And here's the master bathroom. You have a nice long vanity here. Huge mirror. Jacuzzi tub. Laminate flooring. Nice shower. Just pretty spacious. Upgraded, newer toilet. More windows. And pretty good sized walk-in closet as well. Fantastic. Very rarely do I see a home that's this well maintained. Okay, and then we'll go into the last bedroom. Again, very spacious. Ceiling fan. Another bay. This is the bay window type thing that I showed at the beginning of the video. Nice closet area. And lastly, we got another linen closet right here. And then we have another bathroom. So medicine cabinet here, my arm. And again, another newer toilet. Beautiful flooring in here. This is vinyl sheet. A window. And that's pretty much it for the main level, so I'll take you downstairs. Okay, I'm heading downstairs, and one thing I want to point out is that it's nice and open and wide, so it wouldn't be very difficult to bring furniture in. And if you want to bring furniture in, you could also bring them in through that door. But as we get to the bottom of the stairs, I want to get your bearings here. We got a bedroom over here on the left, huge storage room that's not finished, but pretty close. And then we have the main family room right here, or the bonus room. It's pretty standard 8-foot ceilings in here. And you have a kitchenette area over here. It could be a full kitchen if you wanted to. Great for entertaining, put a table down here, whatever you want to do. Then you have 2 more bedrooms on this side, one over here. Again, very spacious. And the windows that meet egress, which means you can escape if there were, heaven forbid, there's a fire or something. You have the dual sinks on the vanity here. Shower tub combo with another new toilet. Very lightly used. And another bedroom over here. Again, brand new carpet and paint throughout the home. Ceiling fans, what's not to like? You've got the flat panel electrical here. Again, the central vac. Hope I'm not going too fast for you, making you sick. We've got the pellet stove over here. If you're not familiar with those, it's a very quiet, easy, clean way to heat your home. You lift this up, you got the pellets down there. Kind of like a Traeger grill almost, except that it heats your house and does not produce delicious meats. Here's the bedroom. So basically it's nothing like a Traeger other than that it uses pellets. Bookshelves. There's some color distortion that happens with the iPhone, so forgive me if it looks way better in person. This is that extra storage area. And you can, you know, play pool down here. Really, there's not much to finish in here. Got your furnace in there. I'll tell you more about that later. A couple water heaters, your water softener, your well tank. But it already has the texturing, the electricals in here. Really, the only thing left to do would be to finish the flooring, because there's also ducting in here. So, very nice room. Okay, I think that concludes the home itself, and take you outside to finish the tour up. Okay, I'm heading outside now. Again, the beautiful covered front porch. Love it, love it. We're gonna walk around to the north side of the house first. Again, the rain gutters, super high quality roof, as you can tell. Architectural style. It's not the cheapy ones they put on a lot of the new houses now. I love this because I could actually dunk on it. Lots of good river rock out here, or something similar to that. You could do whatever you wanted here. Put in another little shop area or whatever. Room to put your trailer. Little shed over here. Time to ring the bell for dinner. You notice the rope is off of there, so I think the grandkids have been ringing that a little bit too much. Just lots of gorgeous landscaping here. You can see the Boise Mountain Range. Unobstructed views. And that's that future development, but as you can see, it's pretty far off and down a hill in every direction here. So you're kind of perched up on the mountaintop, and you have your big trees here to kind of block it as well. You do get a little bit of road noise, but it's quite a fair distance over here, over to Iowa. Little back patio area. That's the door off of the kitchen and the garage. Just another look at the roof there. Fireplace. There's the big deck. You can see the path that the grandkids have worn into the ground here from racing down the hill. It's the area leading into the basement. Nice concrete and steps out here. As I said, just beautifully maintained property. The homeowner thinks that this area over here would be a perfect spot for a huge shop, any size you want. You can come off the street. You can look at the plat map, but you can come off the street there or come off the driveway down to it, whatever you want to do. But there's a quail sitting over there. But anyway, we've got plenty of room here to put any size shop that you might want. Of course, on a property like this, there's no ccrs, no HOA dues. You've got your own well and septic, so you're pretty independent in that way. Beautiful mature trees. If you have any additional questions, feel free to call me. Or if you're using an agent, of course, call them. Ask them whatever questions you might have. If you're not working with an agent, feel free to contact me, Sean Taylor, Silver Creek Realty Group. You can visit my website, rockidaho.com, for more information. And thank you for viewing 11820 Iowa Avenue with me.